You're watching market headlines at the Jakarta Composite Index Intraday Movement. Earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 6,883.08, and then approaching the closing time on the first session, the index was on the level of 6,820.65, and then the index was showing weakening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 6,864.13. And in short, Jakarta Composite Index went down 0.15%. And next, we're going to see the sectoral movement leading the dynamics of today's trading. We got non-cyclic sector as the leader of strengthening trend that went up 0.4%. Property went up 0.24%. Health went down 0.91%. And basic sector went down 0.88%. And moving on to top gainers and top losers, here are the key highlights from today's trading session. From the top gainers, Bank Negara Indonesia went up 0.65% to the level of 7,725 rupiah. Aksio went up 33.3% to the level of 252 rupiah per share. BP went up 7.86% to the level of 151 rupiah per share. Bumi went up 1.2% to the level of 84 rupiah per share. And meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got Bank Rakyat Indonesia went down 0.23% to the level of 4,290 rupiah. Bank Sentral Asia went down 0.68% to the level of 7,350 rupiah. Arto went down 3.26% to the level of 9,650 rupiah per share. And AMRT went down 1.08% to the level of 1,830 rupiah per share. And next, we're going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards US dollar. Open at the level of 14,985 rupiah, showing weakening trend towards US dollar. And it was closed at the level of 14,994. In summary, rupiah went down 0.33%. Elnusa's annual general meeting of shareholders approved the distribution of dividends of 54.3 billion rupiah. The decision came after Elnusa reported that in 2021, the company was able to record net profit of 108.74 billion rupiah. Elnusa's annual general meeting of shareholders approved the distribution of dividends of 54.3 billion rupiah. Corporate Secretary of Elnusa, Asmal Salam, said the company was able to record consolidating operating revenues of 8.13 trillion rupiah and a net profit of 108.74 billion rupiah in 2021. In addition to discussing the distribution of dividends, the general meeting of shareholders of Elnusa also discussed other agenda, namely the approval of the 2021 annual report, including the supervisory report of the Board of Commissioners and the ratification of the company's financial statements ending on December 31, 2022, and the determination of the use of the net profit for the 2021 financial year. The other agenda is the appointment of a public accountant to audit the 2022 financial statements, the report of the Board of Directors on the realization of the use of the proceeds from Sukuk Ijara public offering, approval of changes to the composition of the company's management, and approval of changes to the company's articles of association. IDX Channel reports.